Hello everyone, my name is Lizzie. I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel. If that's the kind of content you're into, then just stay tuned and subscribe down below. And we are doing Primark week. We are kicking off with a collection, then we're doing a full face, and now we are doing a lip swatch video. You know, they're one of my favourite videos to watch and to film. I absolutely love them. So this time we are kicking off. I have two lip swatch videos for you with the Satin Luxe Intense Pigment Ultra Glossy Nourishing Lipsticks. This is the packaging. Oh my god, let me just say I absolutely love these lipsticks. They are £2.50, so a bit steep for Primark, but I promise you, if you find a shade you love, £2.50 for a lipstick, amazing. I love the formula of these. They are very glossy, they're very pigmented, and for £2.50 you're really getting an amazing lipstick. Now once you open the lid and twist it up, it does twist up very slowly, I must admit. That is the amount of product you get in there, which isn't much compared to some lipsticks. However, it's £2.50, so if you really do run out of it, you can go ahead and purchase another one. Another thing about the lipstick bullet is it's a very thin lipstick bullet, so I kind of like that. I don't know if everyone will, but it's not like your proper like fat lipstick bullets. They are quite nice and thin. And they have the leaping bunnies, so I'm going to say they're cruelty free. I don't know if they're vegan, but I have 5 of them, so let's just get on and test it. If you want to know what this makeup is, it is the Christie collection. I've already tested it. It's already up on my channel, so go ahead and click that video right after you've watched this one to see how I created this look, because I'm absolutely in love, and you will know if you've watched the video. So we're going to start off with this shade here, which is kind of like one of the lightest tubes, so I don't know if it's the lightest shade. It's the shade Mocha. Such a lovely shade, very like ready tone brown, very shiny, and this is what it looks like in the tube. I freaking love these, so let me just apply it for you. Oh, it's so creamy when you apply them. I say it's already brown, but it's actually more peachy, like a peachier brown. This would be lovely with that dark lip line that I was wearing. More of a pink, isn't it? It's not a brown. You'd expect a Mocha shade to be brown. This isn't, but it is really lovely. Like, I absolutely love this shade. I would wear this. I've already swatched all these lipsticks. There's one that I wear all the time, Spice, but this is a lipstick I would go out and wear on its own with a lip liner. I'm fully in love with this lipstick. There is a slight scent to these lipsticks, but nothing like overly like, oh, probably got that above my lip now, haven't I? Yeah. It's a sweet, subtle scent. I really like this shade. It's kind of dried down a bit more matte now. Like, the glossiness isn't as visible, but they feel super moisturizing, hydrating. Lovely lipsticks. I like this shade. Oh, and also magnetic. Hell yeah. The next shade we have is Spice, and if you've watched me throughout my vlogmas, you will know that I absolutely love this shade. So pigmented, and it suits the name Spice, like proper suits it. It's that orangey tone, and these are so easy to apply without a lip liner because they're small. You're not going to overline your lips by accident. This is what Spice looks like on its own. I've never worn Spice on its own. I've always worn it with a dark lip line and a gloss, and it gives that nice like ready tone inside of a like nice dark brown. I absolutely love it. It feels luxurious, hydrating, pigmented, soft, glossy, so nice, and it's a perfect tone for autumn. It's one of my favorites. Actually, it is my favorite. Like, I've worn this so many times. I've worn it to work before Christmas. Haven't got it out in the new year just yet because I've been loving my W7 one, but absolutely love this shade. And then we have the shade Blush. So this, I'm assuming, is a nice pink. Yeah, it's probably like a bit of a lighter pink. Oh my god, look at that pink. Ain't that insane? And that is the colour in the tube. it's not as light as I thought it would be. Like, it's a darker pink. It reminds me of like an autumnal pink to wear. It's more of a pink shade that I would love, and it's a very nice pink shade for like medium to dark skin tones. It's not gonna look too like light. It looks really nice already. So let's put this on my lips. This is the shade Blush. It is that perfect blush pink, dusky pink type of color. I love it. I don't know what more I can say. Very creamy, very moisturizing, perfect. All these colors seem to be like more autumnal winter colors than they do like more spring summer colors. I would wear this in spring summer, but for me this is a definite autumnal pink for me. It's a little bit darker, a little bit more blushier. I absolutely love it. And the next shade we have is Punch. Just love that magnet. Oh, it's even darker. It's like a raspberry pink. That is gorgeous. Are we ready for it? Just look at this. It is incredible. Definitely darker, definitely raspberry. A more me pink, I must admit. The blush is, I would wear it, but this I would gravitate towards so much more. It's just so much more raspberry and dark, and you know I love my dark pinks. If I'm gonna gravitate towards a pink, it's gonna be a darker one, especially one with like a more cherry raspberry undertone. I love it. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Then the last one we have is Rosewood. Now they're very, very known, Primark are, for doing a shade called Rosewood. I must have it in so many different formulas. It's unbelievable. But it's this one on the end, this side. It absolutely looks stunning. Like, you can really build these up. It's a nice deeper, again, it's more like pink, but deeper than this. So I'm excited to get this on my lips. Look at this shade. This is, the other one was more of like a raspberry. I thought it was more raspberry, but now I put this on, I feel like this is the definition of a raspberry shade. It's incredible. I love it. This, again, shade Rosewood. They really know how to pull off that shade Rosewood. I have it in so many different formulas. I cannot wait to like dive in and let you see all of them. It's just incredible. I love Rosewood. It is an amazing shade. This is the definition of autumn, I'm telling you. It's got a little bit of a red undertone to it, but it's definitely more on the pinkier side, but like raspberry pink, or maybe even a bit cherry looking. It is gorgeous, and I absolutely love all these Satin Luxe lipsticks. Far as I know, there's about 5 in the range. There might be more. If there is, when Primark finally are able to reopen, I will be going in there to pick them up. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like the lipsticks? Have you got any of your own lipsticks? I absolutely think they're stunning. They are gorgeous, and I cannot recommend them anymore. There's not a lot of product in there for £2.50. Well, in there, but for £2.50 it is a lot of product. Like, it's a normal amount, and repurchasing one favourite lipstick over and over again for £2.50 is not a burn to your bank, is it really? So I really hope you guys are enjoying Primark week. Let me know what your favourites are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.